Hi, it's Dustin Gardner at Reality Capture Experts, and today we're talking about Simlab stages. And it's a personal project. This is a home that my wife Patty and I just built, and we use Matterport. We use some synchronization tools inside of Simlab stages, and we're just going to take a quick walk around. So as I walk the space in Matterport in the split screen, what it does is all of these points that we've captured data. They're not all exactly on top of each other, so it gets it as close as possible. If I come to the floor here in front of what is the pantry, we have two positions on both the pre-drywall and the punch list. So those spaces or those locations are in about the same spot, but as we transition around the house to take a quick peek, this is what we see. So this is pre-drywall. Pre-drywall on the right hand side is very important in the construction process because you get to see what is behind the drywall. So we'll go here right in front of the sink. We know that our hot and cold and our sink drain is coming out here, but we know also this is where the electric is, let's say for the dishwasher. This is the electric that comes out for the garbage disposal, which is on its own separate circuit down the basement. If we're putting nails into in through the drywall and onto the 2x6 studs, we know that the wires are back recessed far enough to where we're not going to hit that, but it's always nice to know where the wires are. So we can now walk in front of the stove and let's take a look around. This is this is where we have electric in the wall, which is inside the cabinet for under recessed lights, but you can see a stubbed out piece of 12-2 here. That is for the KitchenAid exhaust vent. So you might be able to see it a little bit better over here. Actually, no, we'll go right there, and then we'll come up and we'll see where that wire just stubs out right here on the right hand side for the range vent. So anyways, let's take a walk around the house. We're going to go kind of quick. When we're doing screen recordings like this, sometimes it's really choppy from the screen recording, but here on our end, as we're viewing it side by side split screen, everything looks great. So there's the deck. We'll transition around. This wound up being a sunroom, pre-drywall. Walk in, and the one on the left is what we're using as our punch list. So we have used media tags inside the space to let the builder, the contractor, know where there are still areas that need to be attended to. So one right here, you can see this needs a skin of walnut on the inside, so that's one such area. Inside the pantry, or not the pantry, but the just a little closet that we've built here, we need shelves, and so he already knows to place shelves into this space, into this cavity. You can see where there was a 2x6 up here that was removed, so that way that space would be usable instead of just drywalled in. So those are some of the things that happen behind the scenes. And this is the bathroom. So yes, we still need to install the glass shower doors, but you can see the functionality and the benefit of this program in stages is really to be able to compare in real time where we were, where we've been, where we are. Extremely valuable tool to use. So let's walk around a couple more spots because I'm really recording this video for some of the RCE team members who are using stages or will be using stages. You can see the fireplace had not yet been built in this space. The hole had been cut through here. So lots and lots of progress. We'll walk downstairs. Let's see if I can. Well, wait until we get to the end. That was the first thing that was hung on the wall. Something that we got on vacation when we were vacationing with Sherry Rennick. So we have a space here. It is used as a bedroom in the walkout in the lower level. Back up the stairs into the space, but what you can see and what I can really appreciate is how much time and how much effort goes into the building process. So you can see there's just many hours dedicated to a project like this. I think that's it for now. Let's go ahead and go to the dollhouse view, and as we spin the dollhouse around before the front porch was built, looking on the inside, and there we go. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions on construction, progress updates, pre-drywall scans, and the like, give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.